Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn what are C# operators, including arithmetic, logical, comparison, and assignment. So let's go through each one of them in detail. First one is arithmetic operators. These are used for mathematical calculations. You can see we have different operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and all. Right, so these are the available operators as part of the arithmetic operators. So you can see the examples here. If the value of a is 10, value of b is 3, then the summation will be 13, and for difference we have the subtraction operator, which will give the result as 7, and then for multiplication we have this operator, for division we have this operator, and for modulus we have this operator. So these are the arithmetic operators available in C#. And then we have comparison operators. So these operators are used for the comparison purpose. So result is always a Boolean value. Either it can be true or it can be false. So we have equal to operator. If 5 is equal to 5, then yes, it is true. And then we have not equal to with this operator. Not equal to 5 is not equal to 3. Yes, it's not equal. And then we have greater than 5 greater than 3. Yes, true. Less than 5 less than 3, no, false. Greater than or equal to, either it can be greater than or equal. In both cases it will return true. 5 is greater than or equal to 5, yes, it is equal to 5, right? And then less than or equal to, so 3 is less than or equal to 5, yes, 3 is less than 5. So any one is true, then this expression will be true. So you can see the example here. If the value of x is 5, value of y is 3, then if we compare both of them, x equal to y, is it true? 5 equal to 3, is it true? No, the result is false. Then is greater. If x is greater than y, yes, x is greater than y, 5 is greater than 3. So it will return true. These are the comparison operators. And then we have logical operators. Logical operators are nothing but it will combine the Boolean expressions. For example, we have ampersand, right? This is logical and. Logical and is nothing but we will be having two expressions. So when both expressions are true, then final result will be true. Okay. So in this case, we have true and false. So the effective result is false, because for logical and to be able to true, both should be true. Then only it will be true. Even one is false, the final result will be false. And then or is nothing but any one can be true. If any one is true, then final result will be true. We have one true, we have one false, but as one is true, the final result will be true. Then we have logical not. Logical not is nothing but the opposite of what is present here. So logical not true means false, quite opposite. So the example is, if A is true, B is false, A and B, true and false, equal to false. A or B, true or false, equal to true. Then not result. Not result means what is the result of A? True. Not means false. This is how the expressions will be evaluated for logical operators. And then we have assignment operators. These are used to assign values to the variables. So equal symbol is nothing but assignment. So whenever we want to assign any value to any variable, we use equal to symbol. So x equal to 5 is nothing but we are assigning the value of 5 to variable x. Okay. Then we have plus, equal, add and assign. So x plus equal to 3. This expression is equivalent of x is equal to x plus 3. So we are going to add x plus 3 and assign that result to the x. Okay. Then we have subtract and assign. X minus equal to 2 is equivalent of x equal to x minus 2. Similarly, it is just that, equal to symbol is there, right? So this expression will go towards the right side. Okay. Here x multiplication 4, then x division 2, x modulus 3. Like that it will work. These are the assignment operators. So if you see the example, x equal to 10, okay, which means x, this expression is nothing but x equal to x plus 5. X plus 5, nothing but 10 plus 5, which is 15. And then x minus 3. X minus 3 is nothing but 15 minus 3 equal to 12. Then x multiplication 2. 12 multiplication to 24. Then x divided by 4. 24 divided by 4, which means 6. Then x modulus 5, which means remainder. What will be the remainder? 6 remainder 5 equal to 1. So this is the example for assignment operators. Then we have increment and decrement operators. These are used for either to increase or decrease a value by 1. So we have this increment by 1 operator, nothing but x plus plus, decrement by 1, x minus minus. So the example is that if the value of x is 5, then this expression, x plus plus expression, will keep x value as 6 because we are incrementing the value of x by 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Then we are decrementing it by 1, x minus minus, nothing but 6 minus minus equal to 5. So this is the increment and decrement operators. Then we have some other useful operators in C# for concatenation. So concatenation is nothing but the addition of two strings. So here you can see that we have this greeting string, which is equal to hello plus world. This is a plus operator, right? So which is combining both hello and world, and it will print hello world. Concatenation is nothing but combination, addition. Okay. Then ternary operator. Ternary operator is nothing but we have if else, right? If else condition. So instead of using if else, we can go ahead with ternary operator as well. So for example, we have age as 18. Okay. So we have this ternary operator string result equal to if age is greater than 18, then we call it as adult. If it is less than 18, then minor. So ternary operator, how it will work is, first we will have the expression here. Age is greater than or equal to 18. This is the expression. If this expression is true, then this is going to be printed. If the expression is false, then this minor is going to be printed. So it's like first expression, evaluating the expression. If it is true, then first one will be executed. If it is false, then second will be executed. This is just like a if else condition, right? So in the summary, we have learned that we have arithmetic operators, then comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment decrement operators, and some other useful operators as part of the C#. So I hope you have got a good understanding of these operators in C#. Thanks for watching.